Hi there, my name is Elisa. I'm an illustrator from Spain, and you might also find me as Lisa's Balcony. My artworks are mostly about animals, food, nature, basically things that I find beautiful. I also enjoy turning my illustrations into digital graphics so people can use them in their creative projects. In this class, we'll create a dog illustration using a reference photo. This is a great chance to paint your own dog or create a really awesome gift for a friend, or who knows, even offering your dog illustrations for sale. I will be sharing with you the illustration technique that I use in my own illustrations. We will be practicing a mixed media technique using water paint and colored pencils. The way I use water paint is very similar to watercolors, so some of you may want to follow this class using watercolors instead of water paint. Feel free to try that out and see how it goes. I hope you enjoy this class and makes you feel excited about painting that lovely doggy that you have in mind.